Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Myself Hafsa Taj. I welcome you to Taste with Taj with a brand new recipe pizza sandwich. Look at this. Hope you guys are doing great. Let's see what ingredients we need. For chicken fajita pizza sandwich, we need sandwich slices, fajita filling, chicken fajita filling, Young's mayonnaise. This is not sponsored. And for topping, we need mozzarella cheese, capsicums, tomatoes, black olives, and dry oregano. Mayonnaise on bread slices, sandwich slices actually. Separate it up. Chicken fajita filling, that is from Cannons. This video is not sponsored. Mozzarella cheese, some chicken pieces, black olives, tomatoes, capsicums, and some dry oregano. Bake this until cheese melt completely. Just 4 to 5 minutes. Look at this. It's look beautiful and yummy. Try this and give us your feedback. Do subscribe us with a bell notification so you can try yummy recipes like this. Take good care of yourself and others and make us your partners in taste. Fi amanillah.